What's up, my people? This is your boy LB. Then welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make cinematic color grading in Premiere Pro. In a previous video, we saw how you can mix Adobe Photoshop and Premiere Pro by making color grading. So now today, we're gonna see how to make color grading in Premiere Pro only, just like this. So now, let's get a jump in Premiere Pro just right now.
Okay, so this is my footages. So let me delete this audio, I don't need it. So now this is the first one, the second, the third one, and this is the last one. So now here I'm going to add an adjustment layer because I have more clips, more than one. Is that reason why I'm going to add some adjustment layer, because it will touch in all clips. So now drag this adjustment layer and let me put it on the top of your clip, and then you have to extend how long your clips is. So now go here on color menu. Let me increase this program monitor. So guys, those are Lumetri color I'm going to use. Okay, basic, correction, creative, curves, color wheels, HCLI, secondary, and vintage. Back here on basic correction. So now first I'm going to increase. You see my footage, it looks like an S-Log settings. I'm going to increase this contrast. Okay, let me reduce some small highlights. Okay, and then let me increase some small orange. This temperature. Then increase and saturation. Okay, then let me increase some black here, then the small green one. Okay, close this basic correction. So now let me open this curve. So guys, for here I have 5 point. This is in a black, and this is the shadow, and this is the mid-tone, and this is the highlight. The white. So now let me reduce some shadows and increase this highlight. Okay. No. Let me put it here. Okay. And this mid-tone too. Okay. So now click here on the green. Just want to increase some green color in my footage. So now let me reduce this highlight of green. Or just let me increase it. Okay. Back here on shadow. You see how my clip is? Guys, you have to pay attention on these curves. Increase some black. Okay. So now close this curve, then open this HCL secondary. For here on LED, guys, you can make this skin tone if you want. Okay, let me just do this skin tone. I just want a skin only. Okay. don't want this background. Okay, you have to balance it well until you reach on the target you want. So now let me increase this blurriness. So now you have to increase orange and lead, because you see, as you know, the skin tone is mixed with orange and lead. Okay, so here you can make your skin tone. For this icon is to make in a background only without skin tone. Here also, when I chosen a color, you see it is in a background only. Wow, this is looks well. Okay, here you can just include some blue. Okay, look how it is. Just let me put some green, just like this. This is how the video cinematic looks like. So now let me close, and then I'm gonna pray, and let me see how my video clip is. You see there is some small details which is very bad. I just want to remove it. Okay, you have to remove. Yes. Okay, so now look and tell me how it is, bro.
Guys, if you like my video, please leave your thumbs up, subscribe, drop your comment down below, like, share in the comment, bro. Yes, I just want your feedback, okay? And see you next video. Bye.